Okay, this morning we are off to Balaclava, and this is the front of the ute. Hello, Alice.